Hello everyone. Today we will study History chapter 17, the era of Harsa. So now we will start it. First of all, we do that short question answer of this chapter. Part A. Tick the correct option. Question number 1. Tensar is located in. The right answer is Haryana. Haryana is the right answer. Okay. Question number 2. Rajyavardhan come to throne in. Right answer is A. 605 CE. Question number 3. Which one of the following book was not written by King Harshvardhan himself? Right answer is हर्षचरित्र. ओके क्योंकि हर्षचरित्र को किसने लिखा था? वानभट्ट ने. और ये जो बाकी 3 बुक्स हैं इनको हर्षवर्धन ने लिखा था. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. नालंदा was granted the income received from. The right answer is villages. Villages is the right answer. Question number 5. The Chinese traveler who come to India during Harsa's rule was. Right answer is A. Yuan Tsang. Okay, right answer is A. Now next question number part B. Fill in the blanks. Question number 1. Rajsri was the daughter of King Rajyavardhan. Okay. Question number 2. Harshcharitra was written by Vanbhat. Question number 3. To assist Harsha in administration, there was a council of ministers. Question number 4. Farmer had to pay dash of their produce as tax. 1/6. Okay, 1/6 is the right answer. Question number 5. The society was divided into dash varnas. 4 varnas. Now next question part C. Write true or false for the following statement. Question number 1. Harshvardhan was crowned in 606 CE. Right answer is true. Question number 2. Aparika was the head of the villages. Right answer is false. You see in this line, okay, Aparika was the head of the provinces. Okay, so false होगा. Question number 3. Lord Shiva was not commonly worshipped during the vision of Harsa. False, क्योंकि उस समय तो होता था विष्णु और शिव और विष्णु भगवान का पूजा होता था. Question number 4. Harsa never gave alms to the needy or the poor. Answer is wrong. फॉल्स होगा क्योंकि वो तो एवरी 5 years वो कॉन्फ्रेंस करता था और सारे जितने भी नीडी पीपल थे सबको वो अपना आल्म्स देता था. इट मीन्स दान देता था. तो ये फॉल्स होगा. नेक्स्ट. हर्षस वॉज वेरी रिस्पेक्टफुल टूवर्ड्स ऑल द रिलीजियंस. आंसर इज राइट क्योंकि वो सभी धर्मों का बहुत ही रेस्पेक्ट करता था. ठीक है, सो सी. Now we do that part D. Answer the following question in brief. Okay. Question number 1. Which were the 2 main sects of Hinduism during Harsa's period? Right answer is Vaishnavism and Shaivism were the 2 main sects of Hinduism during Harsa's period. Okay. Question number 2. What was the main contribution of Prabhakar Vardhan as a king? Answer is Prabhakar Vardhan was the first ruler of Vardhan dynasty who ruled from 580 CE to 605 CE. He conquered mainly place of and established a large kingdom. Question number 3. What happened after the Vardhan emperor lost its glory? Right answer is After the Vardhan Emperor lost his glory, there was a quick emergence of many small independent kingdoms. In the south, Chalukyas and Pallavas became more powerful. Question number 4. Name the river that meet at Sangam in Prayag, Allahabad. Right answer is Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati are the river that meet at Sangam in Prayag, Allahabad. Question number 5. Why was Nalanda University famous? Answer is Nalanda University was an international center of education. It had a very large library. Students from all over the world come to study at Nalanda. इसलिए ये नालंदा यूनिवर्सिटी फेमस था क्योंकि ये पूरे वर्ल्ड में सबसे अच्छा यूनिवर्सिटी था, इंटरनेशनल स्टेट सेंटर था इस शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में, और यहाँ पूरे विश्व से सभी जगह से स्टूडेंट शिक्षा के लिए आते थे. ओके, सो आवर पार्ट डी क्वेश्चन आंसर इज कंप्लीटेड. नाउ पार्ट डी, answer the following questions. Question number 1. Describe the administrative system of Harsa. Answer. Hers was the head of judicial and civil administration. He was the commander-in-chief of his army and lead his force in war. He was a benevolent ruler. He had a council of ministers to assist and advise him. Aparika was the head of the province. Question number 2. Explain the religious policy of Harsa. Answer is, in the beginning, Harsa was the deity Shiva and worshipped Shiva and Surya. But after coming the contact with Yuan Tsang, there was a greater impact of Buddhism on him. He was very tolerant and respectful towards all religions. He used to organize a conference at Prayag, the Sangam of Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati, every 5 years. Question number 3. Mention the public welfare works undertaken by Harsa for his people. Now answer is, Hers was the benevolent ruler. He built temple, chaityas, vihar, dharmsalas, schools, etc. Hers used to give away all his wealth and belongings, clothes, ornaments, etc., collected during the 5 years. This was respected after every 5 years, repeated after 5 years at the time of माघ मेला एट प्रयाग. हर्ष जो था अपने सभी पीपल से तो बहुत ही प्यार था और उससे क्या करता है, उन लोग का बहुत देखभाल करता था. फिर टेम्पल, चैचेस, बिहार, धर्मशाला, स्कूल से ये सब बनवाए थे. उसके बाद क्या था, एवरी 5 ईयर ये कॉन्फ्रेंस करते थे संगम पे, इलाहाबाद संगम में, प्रयाग में जो है गंगा, यमुना और सरस्वती नदी के संगम पे ये कॉन्फ्रेंस करते थे, जिसमें एवरी 5 ईयर्स ये क्या करते थे, दान देते थे. ठीक है. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, स्टेट द कंडीशन ऑफ सोसाइटी ड्यूरिंग हर्षाज रूलर्स. आंसर इज, ड्यूरिंग हर्षाज रूलर्स द सोसाइटी वॉज मेनली डिवाइडेड इंटू 4 वर्णस, ब्राह्मणिज, क्षत्रियज, वैश्यज एंड शूद्रस. Brahmins were the highly respected. The Sudras did not have a good position in society. They had to live outside the town. People lived harmoniously. Okay. 4 वर्ण थे और सबसे जो अपर क्लास, मतलब सबसे जो उसको ज़्यादा रिस्पेक्टफुल था ब्राह्मणिस थे. देन सबसे लास्ट में कौन आता था, शूद्र, जिसको कि शहर से बाहर रखा जाता था. Okay, now next question. Give any 3 example to prove that the economic during Harsa's reign was well developed. Answer is, the 3 examples that prove that economic during Harsa's reign was developed were Point number 1, trade was furnishing and Kapisa was center of international trade. Okay. Point 2, agriculture was the main occupation of the people. Point 3, they had to pay 1 by 6th of the produce as tax. Okay. Now this is the 3 points of this part. Now our question answer is completed. You see again question number 1, then question number 2, then question number 3 answer, then 4, then 5 number answer. Thanks for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe.